Hello, I'm Hasper with WTI, and yes, I am filing my nails with one of the best files I've had. This is the standard black 100/180 banana washable nail file, and this is actually a 50 pack. I'm constantly in need of changing my nail shape. Sometimes I like them to be rounded or a little square, and so with this nail file, I can shape my nails and enhance their look. It has worked very well when I have acrylic on. These are washable, so I would say they're pretty durable and long lasting because I've had this one right here for a while, and every time I wash it, it looks like new. And since these ones come in a 50 pack, I think they're a great idea uh, for gifting in case I have girls' night. I think this would be a great one because as girls, we always need to have a nail file in our bags. I also love the size of it and how easy it is to hold and use to file my nails. I like a product when it is easy to use and also not heavy. So if you guys are looking for a standard nail file that lasts for a long time that is also washable, I absolutely rely on a nail file, and this one from Iridesi store has been great, a lifesaver, because I always have it when I need it, and that's my point of view.